Household products with strong odors can help repel mice when used correctly around entry points and nests. Peppermint oil is one of the most effective natural deterrents because mice dislike the menthol scent. Use concentrated peppermint essential oil on cotton balls or rolled up cloth and place them in attics, basements, behind appliances, and along walls where droppings or tracks appear. Reapply every 7 to 10 days or after heavy humidity because the scent fades and becomes less effective. Ammonia mimics the smell of predator urine and can be used by soaking rags and placing them in sealed containers with drilled holes or under cabinets away from children and pets. Never mix ammonia with bleach and ventilate the area when applying. White vinegar has a strong sour odor and can be sprayed along baseboards and entryways, but it also evaporates quickly, so repeat applications are necessary and avoid use on porous surfaces where it could cause stains. Dryer sheets offer a convenient, low-cost option by tucking them into cupboards, behind appliances, and near vents. Choose unscented ones only if you are sensitive because the effect relies on fragrance intensity. Mothballs release naphthalene or paridichlorobenzene fumes that are noxious to rodents but hazardous to humans and pets, so use them only in sealed, inaccessible spaces and follow all label safety instructions. 3 common issues are temporary effect, safety risks, and incorrect placement. Many of these odors dissipate quickly, so people think they do not work. Solve this by setting a regular schedule for reapplication and combining scent barriers with exclusion methods like sealing gaps and installing door sweeps. Safety concerns arise because ammonia and mothballs can harm children, pets, and indoor air quality. Mitigate risk by using them only in sealed, out-of-reach locations, wearing gloves, and ensuring good ventilation, or prefer safer options such as peppermint oil or dryer sheets. Placing repellents in the middle of a room or on high shelves reduces effectiveness. Focus placement along walls, inside crawl spaces, and at suspected entry points where mice travel. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and post-project needs to attract bids from nearby professionals. We also help contractors find work and grow their client base, and we host a discussion community where people share experiences, ask questions, and swap practical tips about using household repellents and rodent prevention strategies.